Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another exciting design tutorial with UXMate. Today we are going to learn how to create a complex prototype with a easiest method in Figma. So yes, let's jump into the tutorial and get started with it. I have a couple of frames created for you, nothing fancy. So we have a products page where we are listing the products. Then we have a page where when you click on any of the product image, it will take you to the details page. And then when you click any of the images on the details page, then it will show you more images about the product. And the actions which you can take from any of the pages are like you can add it to the cart or you can buy it. When we click on buy, we have a separate buying page, and then when you click on cart, we have a separate cart page, right? So why this interaction is complex? First of all, let me tell you guys, because to take user to the buy page is very simple, straightforward. You can easily create the interactions. On click of this, user will come to the buy page. Having the back button also is kind of easy. You can simply use the back interaction provided by the Figma. You can simply create a on click back interaction. Figma will automatically take user back to the dedicated page. But let's say, what if user clicks on cart page from the buying page, and when they click on back, ideally we shouldn't be taking them back to the buying page, because that is not the intended action, right? So they are on the cart, and when they say back, then either we should be taking them to the page where they have started their journey. Because most of the time the buying pages or the payment gateways are kind of third party tools where we don't have control of that page. And if we try to reload or refresh those pages, there could be multiple API hits. Though technically we are not going to develop this in prototype, we can still do that. But to create even to tackle with these kind of scenarios, we can still create the advanced prototyping, right? So what we'll be doing, let's first create quick prototypes. Okay, let's say on click of buy, I want to go here. On click of cart, I want to go here. Okay, on click of image, I want to go to the details page. Same here. You may use these same buttons, copy them and paste them here, so it will paste your interactions as well. So that is one of the trick which I most of the time use, because it basically helps you to create those repetitive interactions real fast. If you see, I have quickly created those interactions just by replacing those buttons, right? So next thing, let's create the back interaction. On simple, when user is on this details page, when he clicks on back, we will take them to the products page. If user is on the images page, we will take them back to the product details page. Okay, so far it is good. Now when we say back from here, and when when you do back, it is still good to go ahead, but I'll show you another way just in a minute. Okay, and now if you try to do the same here as well, on click of back, let's just do a back interaction, and let's just test this prototype. Okay, so when you click on buy, or let's go step by step. When you go to the details page, okay, looks good. When you click on buy, it takes you to the buying page. Okay, when you hit back, it will take back you to the details page. It's as expected. When you hit buy, it will take you to the products details page. Now let's test this. When you go to the cart and when you hit back, it will take you back to this page. That's fine. Now when you are on the details page, and let's say when you click on buy, and then on the buying page, I guess we haven't created that interaction. Let me quickly create this, and let's say you have an interaction from this button, like from cart to the cart button to the actual cart page in this case. And when I hit back button, it will take me back to the buying page. But what we have to do is, we don't want this behavior. We want the behavior which it will take user to the any of the pages from where he have came from. If we just want to skip only one page, right? But there could be multiple pages, or multiple pages in that what we can say is in the group of the screens, right? So that's why the section comes into the picture. You might have seen sections, you might have used sections already to create groups and to structure your design files, but yes, section has more potential than that. Let's simply remove these back interactions, and now let me create the sections. Okay, go to sections. I'll draw a section. I'll give it, maybe let's have a black color for now, and this is my product detail section or product section, right? And then I have a buying, selling, or cart order management section kind of thing, cart section. So with the help of sections, now what we have created two different groups, and all the flows within the section remains as it is. Now we can create flows which are basically talking between two different sections. So now whenever I want to go back from this section to any of the screens from these sections, what I can do, I can simply select my prototype option. I'll create a prototype and I link it to the entire section. Navigate to the entire section, right? Same we'll do for the cart page as well. Sorry, we want it to the section, not to the pages, right? Now if you see this, the remaining interactions remains as it is, but the only change is we are now, instead of going to the individual screen or going to the back interaction, we are going directly to the section. So with the help of sections, Figma will automatically detect from which page of this section user has jumped on this page of these pages, or from the cart section. So let's just test this interaction. Now I'll quickly follow the same thing. I'll go to the details, I'll go to the buying page, and now I'll hit on cart, and now when I hit back, it will take me directly to the details page, right? Now let's say I am let's say from the products page itself, and I am clicking on buy from the products page itself, and I'm clicking cart from here, let's say, and when I'm hitting back, it is directly taking me to the products page, right? So if you see this, you can see how many interactions which we have saved. If you want to create similar kind of interactions, you might have to create multiple copies of this products page, and then link it back from each and every logical flow, or the entry points or exit points of your prototype. So sorry I couldn't come on the camera this time. I'm having a little bit health issues, but yes, definitely I'll be there soon. So I hope guys you have enjoyed this video, though this was a short, but I feel this is short and simple, but important trick which can save you lots of efforts when you are working with a huge application. It is just a hypothetical situation which I have created here, but I know these situations are there in real life scenario for the countless times, and the sections can be used to create those complex prototypes with ease, right? So yes, till then subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon next to it, hit the like button, don't forget to add your comments. That will help us to create more content for you. The whatever if you have any doubts, definitely reach out with the comments. We'll be there to solve them. Till then, have a good day, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.